Hey guys, hope you're having an amazing day. If you are new to my channel, just so you know, I upload northeastern recipes and my motorcycle and travel vlogs. Today we are going to cook a summer special Bodo recipe, which is pork with Roselle leaves, and it's called Mwita Jwng, Oma Mwita. If you are not aware about Roselle leaves, they are locally known as tengapata, galda, then mitwa, as well as gongura in southern India. They are quite widely available, quite enjoyed during the summer months because it's tangy and also creates a perfect balance to the meat. So if you see them being sold by your local vendors, do give it a try. And also to let you know, I have already tried a similar recipe in the past. The recipe is available on my pork playlist, so go ahead and check it out if you have not yet. That recipe was more of how we prepare locally in Meghalaya, but this one is very special to the Bodo tribe. And now without further delay, let's check out the ingredients. Pork, Roselle leaves, sliced onions, ginger, garlic, green chilies, and salt. Now let's start cooking, and do check out the video till the end when I'm going to gorge on this delicious dish. First of all, we are going to make a paste out of ginger, garlic, and green chilies in a grinder or mortar, whatever you prefer. Once done, keep it aside. Now take a pan, add your pork pieces, turn on the stove on a low flame. Let the meat cook for 20 minutes until the water has dried and the fat just begins to release. Now add your finely sliced onions and salt as per taste. Stir and cook until the onions turns translucent. Add your ginger, garlic, chili paste. Stir. Cover and cook it for 10 minutes. Stir and add your Roselle leaves. Stir the dish well and cover it for 5 minutes. Once the leaves becomes flaccid, stir it well and add half a cup of water. Stir, cover and cook it for 10 minutes. Repeat this step by adding water little by little until the meat is completely tender. It's time to check our meat if it's tender. So prick with a fork or eat it to check them if it's well done. Our looks done, and just like that our dish is ready. Also, to go along with this yummy dish, I have prepared some potato fries by adding little salt and turmeric into it. Here is a delicious pork with Roselle leaves. I wish you were here to get all the fragrance that was coming through while cooking the dish. And the ginger garlic paste. Please remember to make it fresh whenever you cook any kind of dishes, because it got beautifully absorbed, and as I was cooking I was able to get a lot of flavors already. So the chili also was coming through, and you could feel that slight tickling feeling as you were smelling this wonderful dish even while cooking. I'm sure the pork has absorbed all the flavors, yeah, and it looks really tempting. I think post I was adding the water, I had cooked for about 40 minutes further because the meat is quite chunky. So slow cook it to get maximum flavor infused into your meat. Also, if you can see, there is a layer of fat floating. Yeah, this is completely oil free while cooking, but not fat free. All this beautiful fat is from the meat, and this is what we love. Yes, if people think northeastern northeastern folks don't have oily dishes, let me tell you, this is the kind of fat that we actually love, and not the vegetable oil probably. So most of the time you will see us cook without oil. Now I am not able to resist anymore. I am going to have one piece of meat before I go ahead and have it with steamed rice, and today is special jasmine rice as well as some fried potatoes. So, moment of truth. Mmm. Mmm. Ah, this is lip smacking. The meat has become super tender. Yeah, super tender. And now I'm going to put it on my plate. I think I added about 8 chilies, and the chilies were good, I guess, so it has turned out spicy. Some potatoes. I love baby potatoes. They are not that small, unlike what we get back in Northeast India. These are slightly bigger, but a good choice when you don't have options. Okay, mix it with the rice. And by the way, this is a dry recipe. However, if you wish, you can add water, and little bit more salt I think will be required in order to yeah, I think additional salt will be required in order to make it tasty. I mean, just enough for the water. What am I saying? I think this is too good, man, to think of any other thing than to eat as of now. And I'm very hungry. Mix it well. This dish is traditionally, consumed with dry fish chutney as sides. However, I did not get the time to prepare one, so I'm having with potatoes. You can add salads as well. Will taste good with anything. And now, mmm. The flavors just kicks in and it's really refreshing. Roselle leaves, unlike citrus fruit, is not very acidic. So it has a lovely flavor to it, and it's slightly slimy while cooking, which fades as you dry the dish. I really like this version of Roselle leaves with pork. And if you have a look at it, you can see that the color of the rice turned slightly deep green, and the fat from the meat has been completely absorbed by the rice. We got some beautiful pieces of pork, which we usually buy from Bangalore ham store. Yeah, and this has like equal layer of fat and meat. Mm. 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 For all of you who are enjoying watching this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, I hope you have enjoyed the recipe, and do let me know if you have ever tried Roselle leaves with pork or any other ingredients. And if you have some family recipes, do write back to me on my email, which is mentioned in the description of my channel. Mm. Mm. Oh, the fat just got literally bursting in my mouth. It tastes. Sorry about the honking. It literally melted like a butter. Mm. Look at this chunky piece of fat. The potatoes are really crispy, and I had to chop them into 4 halves because they were quite big. Mm. I know you guys are slurping, but I'll keep eating. And do consider cooking it. Also, please share this recipe video with your family and friends and post them on your social media. I am on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, as well as I have a vlog called Snigda's Bioscope, just like this channel. You can follow me on Instagram, where I continuously post a lot of food and whatever I do on my regular days. My meal is almost coming to an end. I think I can eat like one pressure cooker rice with this much pork. I wish I had like a second and third belly. So friends, as this video has come to an end now, I hope you will write back to me about what you thought about this recipe in the comments. Also, a huge thank you to all of you who are supporting and watching all my videos. Keep continuing sharing your love, and it truly means a lot to me. And I will be back next Friday at between 5 to 6 p.m. and I'll see you soon with another new recipe. I think I'm gonna eat one more piece of meat. I'm done. I'm not done yet. Whoa. This is so tangy and yum.